Welcome back. In this video we're going to be looking at the US double crochet or the UK treble crochet. We're going to be using Colour Crafter acrylic DK yarn in colour 1080 and I'm using a 4mm hook. So we're going to start off by making a slip knot and chain. Yeah. And then we're going to chain, you can chain anything from 10 to 20. So I'm going to do 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I'm going to start my work in that first bump there. So to begin with, I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2. So to make the US double, UK treble, we yarn over, yeah. Then we're going to pop the hook into that bump. It's easier once you've got a few stitches rather than working into the chain. So we're going to pull the yarn through and we've now got 3 loops on the hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops. We've now got 2 loops on the hook and we're going to yarn over and pull through those 2 loops. So that's our first US double, UK treble. We're going to make 14 more. So we're going to yarn over, insert into the bump, pull the yarn through. We'll have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. That's the second stitch. Yarn over, we're going to go into the next bump and pull the yarn through. Now we have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 2 loops left on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. That's 3 stitches now. So now on to the 4th. We yarn over, insert the hook, pull the yarn through, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Into the next one, yarn over, insert the hook, pull the yarn through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Into the next stitch, yarn over first, insert the hook, pull the yarn through, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Into the next stitch, yarn over, insert the hook, pull the yarn through, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 2 loops left, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So we're just going to go all the way to the end of that chain. Just keep repeating. We're nearly at the end now. You can always pause the video or speed ahead if you need to. And then I'm nearly at the last stitch. So sometimes the yarn splits. Okay, so I've got 1 more stitch to go into this chain. So I'm going to yarn over, go into that very last chain, pull the yarn through, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So we've finished that row. Yeah, that's what we call these. That's a row of double US doubles, UK trebles. Yeah. So now what we're going to do is we're going to turn our work and go along the other way. Yeah. So to do that, we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and then we're going to turn the work around. And you see we're going to go into these holes here. Yeah. So we're going to yarn over. We're going to insert the hook. You'll see it'll have the V. Pull that through, and we'll have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So we're going to go into the next stitch. Yeah, you can see that there. Yarn over, insert the hook, pull the yarn through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and you're going to go all the way along into the tops of the stitches you just made on that first row. Yeah, take your time. Don't worry if you go into the wrong place. Just practice this yarning over, inserting, pulling through, and then 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And this is the stitch that I recommend practicing because it's used in so many different patterns. It's a quick stitch to work up your fabric. You know, you can get a real rhythm going with this stitch. And this is the stitch that we use to make granny squares. So I'll put a link down there for the granny square video, which will be up in a few days. So I'm just going to go to the end just to show you how to turn your work again. Oops. So you want to make sure that you don't skip that last stitch. Yeah, so we can see there's another stitch there that we're going to go in. So we're going to yarn over, we're going to go into that stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So we're at the end of the row, and we're going to chain 2 and then turn the work, and we're going to go into that first stitch. So yarn over and into the first stitch. Yeah. And go back along, and just keep practicing for as many rows as you want. And I'll see you in the next video.